Alright, so what is up guys? Say here. Today we're diving into a topic that's on a lot of people's minds, artificial intelligence and its impact on our jobs. AI is no longer just a concept from a sci-fi movie, it's actively shaping industries, changing workflows and making some of us uneasy about the future of work. It's a conversation evolving at an incredible pace with new breakthroughs and applications popping up constantly. AI is everywhere. Writing code, designing logos, even passing medical exams. So the big question is AI coming for your job? Let's break it down. With facts, not fear. We'll look at what AI can realistically do right now. Which jobs might be most affected, which ones are surprisingly resilient, and what steps you can take to navigate this new landscape. My goal here isn't to add to the hype or fear-mongering, but to provide a clear, balanced perspective. It's about understanding the shift, not just reacting to it. So if you're curious about how AI might reshape your career or the job market in general, you're in the right place. Let's get into it. So, let's start with the baseline. What can AI do as we head deeper into 2025? It's moved way beyond simple automation. We're talking about AI that can generate entire articles, pretty convincingly, on a vast range of topics. This isn't just about stringing words together, it's about understanding context, adopting different tones, and even doing some level of research. Then there's the visual side. AI tools can now generate stunning images from simple text prompts and even create short video clips. Think about tools like Midjourney for art or Sora for video. These platforms are capable of producing visuals that would have required a team of skilled artists and animators just a few years ago. Customer service is another huge area. AI-powered chatbots are becoming incredibly sophisticated. They can handle a large volume of customer inquiries simultaneously, 24/7, without getting tired or frustrated. AI is composing music, believe it or not. From background scores for videos to full-fledged musical pieces in various genres, AI algorithms are learning the patterns and structures of music to create original compositions. Tools like ChatGPT for text generation, Sora for video, Midjourney for images, and GitHub Copilot for coding assistance are prime examples of how AI is streamlining workflows. These aren't just niche applications, they are fundamentally changing how professionals in various fields approach their tasks. The impact isn't confined to traditionally tech-heavy jobs either. We're seeing AI make significant inroads in fields like medicine, where it's assisting with diagnostics by analyzing medical images with incredible speed and accuracy. Lawyers are using AI for case research and document review, tasks that are incredibly time-consuming. Teachers are exploring AI for personalized learning plans and grading assistance. Even business analysts are leveraging AI to process and interpret massive data sets, uncovering insights and trends that would be nearly impossible for a human to spot manually. The reach of AI is expanding, touching professions that many might have thought were insulated from this kind of technological disruption. But here's the crucial point. Just because AI do these things doesn't automatically mean all human jobs in these areas are going to vanish overnight. It's about augmentation and evolution. Alright, so now that we have a clearer picture of AI's capabilities, let's talk about the elephant in the room. Which jobs are genuinely facing a higher risk of significant change or even displacement due to AI? Certain tasks, particularly those that are highly repetitive, data-driven, and don't require a deep level of nuanced judgment or creativity, are naturally more susceptible to automation by current AI technologies. Data entry is a classic example. AI, especially with advancements in optical character recognition, OCR, and machine learning, can now perform these tasks with incredible speed and accuracy. Basic customer support roles are also undergoing a transformation. AI chatbots are getting very good at handling frequently asked questions, guiding users through simple troubleshooting steps, and processing routine requests. Telemarketing, especially the kind that involves scripted calls and mass outreach, is another area. AI can now manage call lists, deliver pre-recorded or dynamically generated messages, and even handle simple responses or appointment settings. Content writing, specifically for simple formulaic content, is also feeling the pressure. AI can generate this type of content quickly and at scale. Routine administrative tasks are also prime candidates for AI intervention. Things like scheduling meetings, managing email inboxes, transcribing audio, and preparing standard reports can often be handled or at least significantly assisted by AI tools. However, AI isn't a magic bullet, it's far from perfect. Current AI systems, for all their power, still require significant human oversight. They are trained on data, and if that data is biased or incomplete, the AI's output will reflect those flaws. Ensuring fairness, accuracy, and ethical use of AI requires constant human vigilance and intervention. Furthermore, AI makes mistakes. Sometimes these are minor and easily correctable, but other times they can be significant, leading to incorrect information, flawed analysis, or even nonsensical outputs. The hallucinations in large language models are a well-documented phenomenon. This unreliability means that for critical applications, human review and validation remain absolutely essential. And perhaps most importantly, AI, in its current form, fundamentally lacks genuine creativity, deep emotional intelligence, and true human judgment. It can mimic patterns, it can generate novel combinations based on its training data, but it doesn't in the human sense. It doesn't feel empathy, it can't navigate complex interpersonal dynamics, and it can't make truly original leaps of intuition. These are uniquely human attributes. The introduction of powerful tools often leads to a shift in roles and responsibilities rather than outright replacement. It's about augmentation and evolution. So, given AI's limitations, what kinds of jobs are more resilient, at least for the foreseeable future? Generally, these are roles that demand a high degree of creativity, complex problem-solving, critical thinking, emotional intelligence, and intricate manual dexterity, or real-world interaction. Creative professionals, and I mean true creatives, are a good example. Think about filmmakers who craft compelling narratives, writers who have a unique voice and style that resonates deeply with readers, artists who push boundaries and evoke emotion through their work. Healthcare workers, particularly those involved in direct patient care, are another category. Nurses, therapists, doctors, these roles require immense empathy, complex decision-making in unpredictable situations, and the ability to build trust and rapport with patients. Skilled trades also remain largely human-dependent. Plumbers, electricians, carpenters, mechanics. These professions require not just learned knowledge but also fine motor skills, problem-solving on the fly in unique physical environments, and the ability to adapt to unforeseen complications. Teachers and mentors, especially those who excel at inspiring and guiding students, are also in a strong position. Effective education is about so much more than just information delivery. Leaders and decision-makers, particularly those in roles that require strategic vision, ethical judgment, and the ability to motivate and manage teams, are also less likely to be replaced. Essentially, if your job heavily relies on empathy, truly understanding and responding to the emotional states of others, AI is not a direct threat. If it requires deep intuition, that gut feeling developed through years of experience and nuanced understanding, AI is still playing catch-up. And if it demands real, meaningful human connection and interpersonal skills, you're in a relatively safe zone. AI can process data, identify patterns, and perform tasks with incredible efficiency, but it doesn't possess consciousness, self-awareness, or the rich tapestry of human experience that informs our most sophisticated skills. The ability to think critically, to innovate beyond existing paradigms, and to connect with others on an emotional level will continue to be highly valued. So, while some tasks within these safer jobs might be augmented or even automated by AI, the core functions that rely on these uniquely human attributes are likely to remain in demand. The focus then shifts from fearing replacement to understanding how AI can be leveraged as a tool to enhance these human strengths, making professionals in these fields even more effective. Not yet, at least, can AI truly touch these domains. The future belongs to those who can effectively collaborate with AI, using it to amplify their own capabilities. Alright, so we've looked at what AI can do and which jobs might be affected. Now for the most important part, what should do right now to not just survive, but actually thrive in this evolving landscape? The key isn't to resist AI, but to adapt and integrate it. The first and perhaps most crucial step is to actively learn to use AI tools relevant to your field. Don't view AI as the enemy, see it as a powerful new collaborator. Whether you're a writer, a designer, a marketer, a developer, or in almost any other profession, there are likely AI tools emerging that can help you work smarter, faster, and more efficiently. Start exploring them. Understand their capabilities and their limitations. The goal is to be the human AI, not the human AI. Beyond specific tools, focus on developing and honing your creative and strategic thinking abilities. AI is excellent at execution and optimization based on existing data, but it's not great at true out-of-the-box thinking, devising novel strategies, or asking the right insightful questions in the first place. Cultivate your ability to see the bigger picture, to connect disparate ideas, and to solve complex problems in innovative ways. Equally important is to significantly improve your soft skills. I'm talking about communication, collaboration, empathy, leadership, and emotional intelligence. As AI handles more of the routine, technical tasks, the uniquely human ability to connect with others, to understand their needs, to persuade, to negotiate, and to work effectively in teams becomes even more critical. Stay relentlessly updated. The field of AI is moving at an astonishing pace. Make a commitment to continuous learning. Follow industry news, read articles, watch videos like this one. Take online courses, and attend webinars or workshops. Think about how AI can augment your current role, rather than just replace parts of it. How can you use AI to automate the tedious aspects of your job, freeing you up to focus on higher value, more strategic, or more creative work? This proactive approach can transform potential threats into opportunities for growth and increased impact. And if you're looking for a place to start, to find free tools and practical tips to learn AI fast and get up to speed, I've got you covered. Check out the link in the description below. I've compiled some resources that I think you'll find really helpful in navigating this new terrain and building those future-ready skills. Ultimately, the future of work in the age of AI is likely to be a partnership between humans and machines, each playing to their strengths. By embracing AI, focusing on uniquely human skills, and committing to lifelong learning, you can not only secure your place in the future job market, but also unlock new levels of productivity and innovation in your career. So there you have it, a look at AI versus humans in the job market of 2025. It's clear that AI is a transformative technology, one that's already reshaping how we work and live. But the narrative isn't simply about jobs being lost. It's far more about how jobs are changing and how new opportunities are emerging. The pace of development is undeniably fast, and it requires us to be adaptable and forward-thinking. The core message I want to leave you with is this: AI will change the world. But it's not about replacement, it's about evolution. So don't fear the robot, learn to work with it. Embrace the tools. Focus on your uniquely human strengths like creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence. The future belongs to those who can effectively collaborate with AI, using it to amplify their own capabilities. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.